So you clicked on this video because you're an employee with big dreams, imagining what it would feel like to become a millionaire. Well, you're in the right place. I'm here to show you how to achieve that goal step by step. But let me be clear, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about smart strategies, long-term growth, and making the most of what you already have. So if you're ready to turn your 9 to 5 into a path to wealth, let's dive in. As I said, we will go over 5 key steps to becoming a millionaire when you retire, or even earlier if you're a good investor. First, we have an example. Imagine you earn 5k a month, an above average earner, and you invest 1k a month. And you're an average investor that makes 14% a year to investing. That is the S&P 500 performance over the last decades. Let's say your initial investment is 10k. So you have 10k that you already saved up and don't know what to do with it, so you invest it. Then, let's say you contribute 1k as we said, from the 5k you are making. You make 14% a year, and you do that for actually 20 years. And you have an inflation of 6% because inflation happens. You can't control that. So let's calculate. Actually, after just 20 years, you will already be a millionaire. It's that easy. Consistency is key. Let's say now that you actually save more than that. You save 2k a month. And you do it for 30 years because you don't retire early. You will actually have almost $10 million. In 30 years, of course. That is a long time, don't underestimate it. Let me show you how this is done. We will start here, then invest, then we will spend less, diversify plus earn, and then we will set up a retirement account. So for you, in order to understand these next 5 steps, we must set some parameters so you know what we must change to your behavior so you can become a millionaire. First, in this equation, we have time, we have income, and last but not least, we have how good of a trader you are, so your returns. Now, what can you do to change these parameters so you can become a millionaire? You can increase time, longer investing, or start earlier. With income, you can increase income and decrease expenses. Then you can increase returns by following our channel and learning how to invest better options and not just index funds. So let's get right into it on how to increase your income, decrease your expenses, increase your returns, and become a millionaire. It's time to make the money work for you. You should be now actively investing. Start with easy options like index funds or ETFs if you're new to investing. If you don't know what this is, watch our last video on assets you can invest in. So these are diversified and carry lower risk compared to individual stocks. Set up automatic monthly contributions so you don't even have to think about it. The earlier you start, the more compound interest works in your favor. If you invest consistently for a couple of years, you will begin to see real growth. Don't underestimate the power of time and patience in investing, as I already showed you in our example. Next, you should try to spend less. You should try to manage your expenses. This is where many people get stuck. They make more money, but also spend more. Instead, focus on what you actually need versus what you want. Revisit your budget and start eliminating unnecessary expenses. Subscriptions, dining out, impulse buys, all of these things add up. The goal is to save and invest the difference. As I already showed you how big the difference is from investing 1K a month to 2K a month, and only 10 years more, you can 10x your 1 million to 10 million. By focusing on spending less and making intentional decisions about where your money goes, you can increase your savings rate dramatically, bringing you closer to millionaire status. Another thing you can do to optimize this is increasing your income in your current role. What can you do right now to make yourself more valuable to your employer? Upskill by learning new tools, taking courses, or gaining certifications relevant to your field. Ask for feedback from your manager, figure out areas you can improve, and use that to leverage a raise or a promotion. This is the foundation. By boosting your earning potential, you increase the amount of money you have to work with, and that is key. As shown here, you can start a side hustle or passive income stream. This could be anything from freelance work, investing in rental properties, or creating digital products. The idea is to build up multiple streams of income, so that if one slows down or goes away, others are still bringing cash in. Diversification is what separates those who just survive financially from those who truly build wealth. By now, you should be seeing the fruits of your efforts: a growing investment portfolio, a healthy savings account, and multiple income streams. Now, we'll talk on the next point that is very, very important and key to our journey. Retirement accounts. Later in your life, you should be fully taking advantage of retirement accounts like 401ks, IRAs, or pension plans. If your employer offers matching contributions, max that out. It's free money that will significantly compound over time. By contributing consistently and taking advantage of any employer match, your retirement accounts will become a powerhouse for long-term wealth. This is your safety net, your future, and your financial freedom. At this stage, you're not just thinking about today's financial goals, but long-term security. A well-managed retirement account can mean the difference between working for life and enjoying early retirement. So, what is a 401k? A 401k is a retirement savings plan offered by many US employers. Important is that it is only available in the US. If you want, you can write in the comments and we will do another video on other plans, pension plans that you can use in other countries. With this plan, you have tax benefits, money grows, tax deferred, so you don't have to pay taxes as you pay your money in. And you pay no taxes until you withdraw that in retirement. But if you decide to withdraw it earlier, penalties and taxes will occur if you pay out your money before before the age of 59 years. And this is a retirement goal that helps building a long-term retirement saving for you, so you don't have to worry when you get old. Now you actually know what to do to have a safe future. But there is something I didn't tell you. You can actually outperform these 14% by a lot. You can actually, with investing in diversified assets, not only ETFs and index funds, you can outperform the market by a lot. Watch this video if you want to find out how this works. Goodbye and until next time.